Hi friends, this is Satya from Panther 3D. This is the first video we are launching in our channel Panther 3D. It's in English, so it's for all the friends all over the globe. So I'm happy to announce that we are very partnered with Bigtreetech. So today we have received this much of boards, like still more boards are there. So just for the showing example, we got all the varieties of the board which is supplied by Bigtreetech, which is most commonly used 3D printer control boards available in market. So we are happy to announce that we got all the boards and others in stock. So if you want, we can ship it here also. Unboxing and also installing the boards in our machines. So that will be in videos. We got the newest board Pico, which is based on RP2040, and Octopus, which is well known for 8 stepper drivers and bigger board. And also we got the newest kit on that same segment, Bigtreetech Pro, which can support 48 driver and a little bit of higher quality components which is used in that board, and also drivers TMC 2209. Unfortunately, we are not able to get this one TMC 5160 driver, which was out of stock at the time we ordered, and soon we'll be able to get that. And the most common board or SKR Mini E3 version 3, and also SKR2. And the luckiest thing is we got the display also. Here you can see this is a TFT50 display. Unboxing videos of all these components and the installing video, how to install and what are the configuration we are doing with the clipper, and maybe Marlin. Some machines will do Marlin installation. Mostly our channels will deal 3D printer spare parts, high quality components, how to install, and what are the advantages over there and what are the disadvantages, pros and cons, and also coming new technologies and all will be able to speak in this channel, and also the newest machines, what we are doing, the upgrades and the newest spare parts for the 3D printers. So this channel is focusing on these kind of activities will be happening throughout our entire journal. So I am happy to announce this first video, and also I'm expecting a support from the community also. So because mainly this is an open source platform based channel, so everything will be done in a clear manner and explanation. I'm expecting your support and other things. Please subscribe to this channel and leave your comments. Thanks. Take care. Bye.